This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, there are some surprises. Number one, continuously markets were higher for the last 4 trading sessions. Especially the last 3 trading sessions alone, Nifty shot up 650 points. And today, it is the time for consolidation. The Nifty has fallen about 120 points. I think the lowest point, it was down about 150 points. And second thing, the Asian markets were okay. They were mixed. But as soon as the market opened, the India VIX shot up 4-5%. And then throughout the day, India VIX was trading higher. And in fact, up to 2:45 p.m., the VIX was higher. Only in the last 30 minutes or 45 minutes, the VIX has come down a little bit. US futures are higher, and likely that today, once again, US markets will open at a all-time high. European markets, they actually opened slightly positive, but then came down to slightly negative, but it was only flat only. But here, don't know why the Nifty has fallen about 150 points at the lowest point. And also, today, the fall was only in Nifty. Mid cap is up, small cap is up, next 50 is up. So which means that, broader markets are doing well. So it is only the index heavyweights. So in fact, today, Reliance, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So these 3 stocks alone were responsible for about 70-point fall in Nifty out of the total 120 points. That means more than 50% of the fall is attributed to only these 3 stocks. Some positive surprises, PSU banks. The PSU bank index is higher, nearly 2.5% today. So that is why the bank Nifty has actually outperformed the Nifty. So if not, the Nifty would have fallen even more. But one good thing is that the Nifty is holding 25,500. Why 25,500 is significant? That's because, 25,500 has the highest open interest among the put options. And of course, those people who have sold 25,500, they would have sold some call also. So they would have benefited in call. And there is a across the board selling in call options today because the market's rallying for 4 days and now today is reversing. So it means that, markets may not go down much, but, the probability of market going higher also less. And moreover, people are taking positions for this weekly expiry. So calls are written across the board. There was some unwinding in 25,500 PE, 400 PE and so on. But 25,200 looks to be a good support. So that's what I've been telling you. Last time Nifty was consolidating between 24,500 and 25,200. And once 25,200 is decisively crossed, then that 25,200 may become a good support. So, overall, 25,200 to 26,000 is a range for this week. And, we have 3 more trading sessions for this weekly expiry. But Friday also, there is nothing big expected because the Friday, the US market is closed. So, it is good. And as I told you last time, on May 12, Nifty shot up nearly 1,000 points, then followed by 5-6 weeks of consolidation. And now the same thing, the last 2-3 trading sessions, markets moved significantly higher. And then, this time markets may not consolidate for 5-6 weeks, but at least until the corporate results starts. So the markets may consolidate between 25,200 to 26,000. So that is the view right now. So with that expectation, I sold some put options at 26,000 and in the current month and bought 26,000 put option for the next month. So as a hedge. So what people call it as a put calendar. That is, this is called in the money put calendar. So maybe I'll give you the details later in another video. FII data is still not out. So, but looking at the price action, so there may not be a significant buying or selling from the institutional side today. So overall, market sentiment is still positive. So I would say, by looking at this 120 point fall, nothing to decide on the negative side. And look, the fall is only in the Nifty. Look at the broader markets are good. And the IT stocks that was coming down for the last few trading sessions today, IT stocks recovered, but FMCG fell and auto fell. So some kind of a sectoral rotation can happen. So anyway, I'm still holding the view 25,200 to 26,000 for the next 3 to 4 trading sessions. So otherwise, there is nothing very important. And this is just a normal profit booking in HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.